Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine. Today is your English literature class time. Class 6, week 3, dated 13 July till 17 July. Here we go. Lesson 1, Our Duty to Our Flag by Albert Guest. Our duty to our flag. Less hate and greed is what we need, and more of service true. More men to love the flag above and keep it first in view. Less boast and brag about the flag, more faith in what it means, more heads erect, more self respect, less talk of war machines. The time to fight, to keep it bright, is not along the way, nor across the foam, but here at home, within ourselves today. Tis we must love that flag above with all our might and main, for from our hands, not distant lands, shall come dishonor's stain. Is that flag be dishonored? We have done it, not the foe. If it shall fall, we first of all shall be to strike a blow. Assignment number 1. In this, we shall discuss words meaning, difficult words for dictation, and central idea of this poem. Objectives. By the end of this lesson, students, you all will be able to understand the difficult words with their meanings, memorize spelling for dictation words, and describe the central idea of the poem in your own words. Words meaning. You have to write the meanings of the following words: duty, काम, flag, झंडा, need, ज़रूरत, faith, अकीदा, self-respect, इज़्ज़त नफ्स, फो दुश्मन, दा स्टेन दाग, फॉल गिरना, ब्रे शेखी मारना, डिसऑनर बेइज्जती. Dictation words. Number 1, GREED, greed, flag, strike, foe, boost, machine, service, dishonor. Central idea of the poem. In this poem, the poet depicted his love for his country flag. A flag provides a specific identity to a nation. It is the symbol of freedom and national pride. We should not hate each other, neither should we have greed. इस पोम में शायर जो है झंडे की अहमियत को बता रहा है कि वो किसी भी मुल्क की शनाख्त है और आज़ादी का, और उसके लिए फ़ख्र है, और हमें एक दूसरे से नफ़रत नहीं करनी है और एक दूसरे से लालच भी नहीं रखनी, बल्कि हमें हर सूरत में एक रहना है ताकि हम अपनी कंट्री के फ्लैग को मज़ीद ऊंचा कर सकें. Homework time. Write down the poem in your copy from slide 3, 4, 5. Write down the words meaning from slide 8. Write the dictation word from slide 9. And central idea of the poem from slide 10. Here is a reminder for you students. Copies will be submitted for checking on Friday 17 July and check copies will be returned on Monday 20 July. Office timing will be 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. So don't forget to submit your copies. Thank you students for watching this video. Kindly like and share this video. Also subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming learning videos.